Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to make an armor stand in Minecraft. This is how it looks like and this is how we can do it. First of all, the requirements are pretty simple. You will need a log, which is simply some wood, whatever wood you have, and turn it into sticks. As you can see, we need 8 sticks. Here, the second thing that we will need to do is to go ahead and dig down and search for cobblestone. Normally you will need 3 cobblestones, so here is 1, 2, and 3. You will need extra 8 so you can make a furnace. So take that in consideration. I have that already in here. Now you will need any type of coal or wood so you can make the furnace work and put the cobblestone in there. Once it is finished, you will be ending up with having stone. So cobblestone turned into stone, and now we need to cook it once more so we can cook the stone. So now we simply have to wait for the 3 stone to be cooked. And after you have smooth stone. So now let's check this out and let's open our crafting table. What we need to do is to craft the smooth stone slab, as you can see here. And for those who don't know how to craft anything in Minecraft, there is this book that actually can help you to create many things. In our case, we would like to craft the armor stand. So what we're going to do is to simply do this. Put the smooth stone in here and take your sticks and put one here, one in the middle. So simply just put everything in corners and in the center and one in here. As you can see, this is our armor stand, and now we can put our armor right on it and simply put heads on it and many things. We can make it as decoration and other stuff. That was it for today's video guys, and see you in the next video.